Hello. I want to make a tiny little video to share with you the sound of pain. You want it, never mind, that train of thought's awful. And what I mean is that I have one of these like cheap hurdy-gurdies that you put together. It's like a 3D wooden puzzle. It's pretty sick. It took a very long time. But it sounds really, really bad. It's pretty cool though. This little flappy thing comes up, and these are like little keyboard thingies. Basically, hurdy-gurdy, from my understanding, is like, it's a medieval instrument, and it's kind of like a string and a percussion instrument at the same time, sort of. So you crank this, and there's little like cotton pieces on these like strings. I don't know if you can see. And it causes friction and it makes sounds. And depending on how you push these little doodaddy guys, maybe if I can hold it like this, it makes like different sounds. But because this is not like a real one, it sounds like a cat is dying, and my actual cats are probably gonna be terrified when I like try to play this for you, but I think it's funny, and if you think terrible things are funny, you'll probably like this. The little stand it comes with is really pretty though. But yeah, basically like this comes, like everything is flat in like flat wood sheets, and it comes in a box, and you have to punch them all out and like put them together. From what I understand, unless you buy like an expensive like professional hurdy-gurdy, your hurdy-gurdy is gonna be bad and not sound good. I don't know if that's elitist hurdy-gurdy propaganda. It could be. So there's that. The reason why I'm not sure is because in like the company's video, they have like a professional hurdy-gurdy player, and this like sounds okay. But when I play it, it sounds like cats dying. Is there anything else I want to note? There's little crank things, and you can adjust the tightness of the strings. What else? Where is it? There is, oh yeah. So there's like a little lever here, and that basically raises this off of this, so you can only play one string. Or if you like lower that, this string is touching the little wheel again. I'm just gonna show you. My cats are probably gonna be terrified. Also, because it's not a real hurdy-gurdy, it's really light, and it's kind of hard to like crank it without the entire thing like moving. I'm probably only gonna do like a few seconds of this because I really don't want your ears to bleed, but I kind of really do. So here you go. Here's my pain. Hold on. I probably can't show you. Let me get closer. I hope the phone will pick it up. Like I said, it's like not heavy enough to like play very well. I don't think you'll be able to like see what I'm doing, but I think if I'm close enough, maybe you can hear it a little bit better. I also don't know which little keys are supposed to be notes. If you haven't been able to tell by now, I don't know anything about music or playing instruments. I just always thought hurdy-gurdies are really cool, and I saw that you can make your own for like 60 bucks or something, and I was like, I'm treating myself to this! You're supposed to like tune the strings with a guitar tuner, like an app, and I tried, but apparently the strings are supposed to be like just barely like laying on the little wheel that spins, and if I like make it tighter so that it's louder, there's like way too much tension on the wheel, and I you see that ear? And I get that like it's not a legit instrument, but the dude in the video was playing it. Let me try using the little lever thing. Sweet music to my ears. I hope you enjoyed that. If you want me to like try to tune it the right way, which I'm not exaggerating, I've spent like a couple hours trying to do in total, not like right now. Couldn't figure it out. My partner plays instruments and couldn't get it. And he can play like 9 instruments, and if he couldn't get it, then like it's probably just like a shit thing, but it looks really cool. Let's see here. I'm just gonna give you a little tour so you can see it better. But yeah, I put this thing together. Probably one of the more difficult puzzles I've done. I mean, the instructions were like pretty clear. There were no words on the instructions. It was just pictures, which I honestly think are like easier. But yeah, here's those like keys, and then this little guy flaps up, and then here, this little lever, you can see controls how it's resting on it. Oh, you're also supposed to like put cotton on it. And then there's this like little resin cube that you like rub on here to make this like smooth. But then the cotton makes friction. I don't really know. I did my best. But it's pretty cool. Let me turn it so you can kind of like, I have to use my foot. But it's cool seeing like the little things inside like go. Oops. I don't know. I thought it was pretty nifty. I hope that sounded bad. I hope you're uncomfortable. I hope the dissonance made you question subscribing to me, and I don't know, I can't think of any more jokes to make that would actually be like kind of funny. Oops. Well, anyway, that was my hurdy-gurdy. Let me know what you think. If you have tried this hurdy-gurdy, it's by UGears. It's probably backwards because I'm using my phone, but it's by UGears. If you've tried this, or if you're an actual hurdy-gurdyist, tell me your experience with hurdy-gurdies of lesser and higher qualities, and let me know if it's worth investing in a real one, because I think they're really cool and I like medieval kind of music. Special. I think that's all I got. Have a good day, whatever time of day it is, wherever you are, and be kind to yourself and be kind to other people. Bye-bye.